Hi guys, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. Today I have my spring decorate with me, and it's so funny that I'm recording this video right now because it literally snowed last night, so there's snow on the ground, which is just, I don't know, it's ridiculous because it's almost the end of March, but that doesn't mean that it's not spring. It is officially spring, so that means it's time to decorate. I've honestly been putting it off because I'm a little nervous, or I was nervous with how it was going to turn out. If you guys don't know, this is my first apartment, so I've never really decorated by myself for spring or any holiday or season, and I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but I'm honestly so happy with how it turned out, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So make sure you stick around to the end to see all the end results. I'm not going to go over each and everything that I have because I would say 90% of it is either from Hobby Lobby, like the 2-tier tray, and just about everything on it is from Hobby Lobby, and the Christmas tree shop. There are a few random things from like TJ Maxx and Five Below, but like I said, 90% of it is from Hobby Lobby and the Christmas tree shop. But if you have questions about anything specific, please let me know down below in the comments. Let's get started, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more decorating, cleaning, and organization videos.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk.
I would love your guys' feedback on what you thought of my decor. I really appreciate it. Like I said, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and definitely check out some of my other videos, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.